In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break the connection to Excel after you've moved an Excel chart into PowerPoint. This is a handy skill if you want your PowerPoint presentation to remain static and not update automatically whenever the original Excel file changes. Start by opening your Excel worksheet and locate the chart you want to transfer. Once you've found it, select the chart with your cursor. This ensures that the correct chart is copied for your presentation. Next, copy the chart by pressing Ctrl+C. This temporarily stores a copy of the chart so you can paste it elsewhere. Now, open PowerPoint and navigate to the presentation where you want to place your chart. Make sure you are on the correct slide for better organization. At the top of the PowerPoint window, click on the Home tab. Here, you'll find the Paste command. Instead of pasting the chart directly, hover over the Paste options and select Paste as Picture. By pasting as a picture, you are inserting the chart as a static image rather than a linked Excel object. This ensures that the chart in your presentation will not update even if the original Excel file changes. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your chart into PowerPoint while breaking its connection to Excel. This simple method helps keep your presentations accurate, consistent, and free from unexpected updates. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.